Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be making wall art using pool noodles. And I will be using this recycled cardboard that I used for another project. I'll first be starting off by cutting the pieces to size. And all of my pieces today will be 6 inches wide. And since I'm working with recycled cardboard, I am doing the sizes out of order. This size is the second to longest. And there will be a total of 5 pieces. And I made a second piece to match. Next, I'll be moving on to my 2 smaller pieces. And like I said, all of them will be 6 inches wide. And I did end up cutting these pieces shorter later on because I didn't like the sizes. And I am making a second panel to match the other one. And now I am cutting out my longest panel. And now I am placing them into the formation that they will be on the wall in. Next, I'll be moving on to my pool noodles and I'll be cutting them in half. And you can only see 2 of them, but I did use 4. And this is how they looked cut in half. Next, I'll be cutting the noodles to size, measuring them on the cardboard, and I'm going to be doing 3 noodles per panel. And this is how they look when they were all cut out. Next, I'll be taking my hot glue gun and attaching the pool noodles to the cardboard. And this is how they all look when they were finished. And like I said, I thought they were too long. So I took 2 inches off the second from longest and I took 4 inches off the smallest ones. I then took this spray paint that I got from Home Depot and spray painted them black. Now I'll be using this confetti that I got from the Dollar Tree and I'll be adding it onto the panels. And now I'm taking my Mod Podge and I'm creating some sort of design. I want most of the gold confetti to be in the middle. There's no specific way to do this part. I'm just going with the flow. After I was okay with the design, I then went in with my confetti and I'm just going to cover all the Mod Podge. And now I'm gonna let it dry for a couple of hours, and I'm gonna go back over it one more time with the Mod Podge, and then the job is done. The last thing I did was add double-sided tape to the back of each one, and this is how it turned out when it was finished. This was so easy and quick to make and very inexpensive. Make sure y'all let me know how y'all feel about this project in the comments. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later, Glitter Babes.